Okay, y'all talk.
Hey YouTube, we're back with another video, and today we're eating lemon pepper chicken, French fries, and some funyuns covered chicken wings.
The flaming hot funyuns, and we got some Doritos flaming hot cool ranch as well.
We have cheese.
We have this cheese here and this ranch. Here, come on. Yeah, y'all. Show them, yeah. Come on, honey. They got the lemon pepper. See that? Don't they look good? There's fries. You want a fry? Here. Yeah, get you a fry. Yeah, show me, girl. Hey, look at that.
It's good.
Good. Good. What you want, some ranch? Yeah, let me see. Yeah. There you go.
I can find spicy, but good.
Hey, really seems like at all. Seems like everyone is enjoying it, huh? Good.
Yep. It's good.
Oh yeah, this is good. Don't try to clear your bone. Well, let them see you eat, baby. Show me in your fries, good. Yeah, eat it, baby.
Flavor.
Good. Clear the first bone. This is awesome. You okay, baby? Eat. Show them you eat the fries, honey. And then dip it in your cheese. Go ahead on, girl.
Cleared. Like that.
Dip it in your cheese.
Lemon pepper. Lemon pepper. Lemon pepper.
Good.
Lemon pepper. It's not really that spicy.
What you want?
Yeah.
The ranch?
What flavor?
Here you go. You want that? Get one.
Okay.
Yeah. Y'all want one? You on that?
Want to bite? Want to bite? Want to bite? Want to try it?
This is pretty good. Show them how you eat your chicken. Show us. Yeah.
You want to bite? You want to bite? You said no? No. No, eat that. Clear.
Barely hard. Very good.
I want my French fries, lemon pepper. Also good. For me, I want my meat. Lemon pepper. I need
Okay, y'all. Put the stuff here. Let's stuff this one.
Bye, YouTube. See you in part 2.